Welcome to the Basics of Cyclone, Part 9. This is the first session on data reduction and cleanup. Most of you that know me personally know that I am not a big fan of cleaning up point cloud data. The main reason is I think for the most part it's a waste of time unless I'm doing one of three things: creating a video for marketing, creating a mesh, or if I'm delivering a point cloud that was requested to be cleaned by a client, then I would clean the point cloud. Other than that, I can do anything I want to do with this point cloud without ever cleaning it. For example, I can extract survey line work without cleaning the point cloud, and you'll see that in some future versions of the Basics of Cyclone. Or I can also create 3D models without cleaning the point cloud. So there are circumstances where it's not necessary to use that time to clean the point cloud. Now, with that said, we're going to start showing you how to data reduce and clean a point cloud. So the first thing I want to talk about is the Shift O and the Shift I, which is built into Cyclone. If I create any kind of fence, and I'm just going to quickly come around here and create a fence, and I hit Shift O, it's going to delete everything outside of the fence. I'm going to come back up here and undo. I'm simply going to do another fence, really quick one, and I'm just going to hit Shift I, and you can see it deletes everything inside of the fence. You can use both of these tools to go through and clean either individual point clouds or the point cloud as a whole while you're going. This can also be used to set default clouds in your original imported scans so that you can use smaller pieces of the point cloud for registration or cut out pieces that aren't necessary. The next thing I'm going to talk about is if you go up to Tools, Scanner, and ScanWorld Explorer, it'll open up your ScanWorld Explorer box. And there's just a few things I want to point out, even though there's multiple tools in here. One is if I select the ScanWorld and come up here and click Align View, it will simply align my view to that of the scanner. And when I go and look around, it will simply just look around in that view. Oops, sorry about that. So as you can see, it's simply looking around in that view. And if I just click on any scan world, it'll move to that scan world. The next thing I want to talk about, and I'm just going to hit my top-down view, orthographic again, and let's hit the home scan. Next thing I'm going to talk about is the color scan worlds, right? So this can be used if I want to create a quick slice or something like that to quickly review a registration, or basically look at how clouds are aligning, and it makes it simple to see which points are from which setup. To go back to the original, simply going to click on whichever option I want up top. Finally, I'm going to talk about segmenting scan worlds. So by selecting each individual scan world and making them all appear over here in this column and then selecting them all again, I can come up with segment scans. And you can see I have several different options here. I'm going to use the delete points beyond distance. And if I type in 100 feet and click OK, it simply deletes all the points outside of 100 feet. And I could use this now to go in and start extracting data. If I want to get back to my originals, I simply just come up here and select all the point clouds back on, and those points all come back. That's it for the first session. I look forward to the future sessions here on data reduction and cleanup.